not too much, just about right like that. And, you know, of course, check the air filter. It looked really good and clean. All right, let's fire it up. Got the choke out. It's on. Let's see if it runs. Alright guys, I don't really need to do any more cutting. I just wanted to show you guys, if you have this same Timberwolf and you're having issues with it, just put a couple drops in the cylinder and it should fire up. Hasn't failed me doing that, so yeah, check it out. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe.